Have you ever stepped outside into your backyard, ready to relax, only to feel like you're on display? Maybe your neighbors can see right into your patio, or you're tired of staring at a plain fence that doesn't give you the privacy or peace you crave. The truth is, no one wants to feel like their outdoor space is a stage. You deserve a sanctuary, a place where you can sip your coffee, host a barbecue, or just sit in silence without wondering who's watching. And here's the secret. You don't need an expensive wall or years of waiting to create that kind of backyard retreat. You can get instant privacy and stunning beauty by planting the right trees. Today I'm going to show you 5 incredible trees that transform ordinary yards into secluded escapes. They grow quickly, they look amazing, and they'll make your space feel private, peaceful, and completely your own. 1. Leyland Cypress. The Leyland Cypress, scientifically known as Cupressocyparis leylandii, is one of the most popular privacy trees in the world. Its incredible growth rate and dense evergreen foliage make it the go-to choice for homeowners who want fast, reliable, and attractive backyard screening. This tree is famous for its speed, growing up to 3 to 4 feet per year under good conditions. In just a few years, bare yards can transform into lush green walls that block unwanted views, noise, and wind. Its soft, feathery foliage stays vibrant year-round, unlike deciduous trees that lose their leaves, ensuring constant privacy and beauty. The Leyland cypress can grow 50 to 60 feet tall and spread 15 to 25 feet wide, but it's also very adaptable. Many people trim it into neat hedges while others let it grow into natural pyramids. Either way, it creates a strong, elegant screen. Hardy in a wide range of climates, it thrives in full sun, tolerates many soils, and once established, requires little care beyond occasional pruning. The only caution with Leyland cypress is spacing and airflow. Because it grows so quickly and densely, planting them too close can lead to disease. Giving them room to breathe and trimming as needed will keep them healthy for decades. Beyond privacy, this tree adds ornamental value. It works beautifully as a backdrop for gardens, a windbreak, or even as a single specimen tree. Its popularity in suburban neighborhoods shows just how effective it is, row after row forming natural living fences that are both practical and attractive. In short, the Leyland cypress is more than just a tree. It's a landscaping solution. For homeowners who want instant seclusion, year-round greenery, and minimal maintenance, it's hard to beat this fast-growing evergreen. 2. Thuja Green Giant. The Thuja Green Giant is another privacy legend, a tree that has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable and attractive evergreens for screening. If the Leyland cypress is admired for its speed, the Green Giant is loved for its combination of speed, strength, and elegance. This hybrid, developed from a cross between Japanese thuja and Western red cedar, offers the best of both parents: rapid growth, disease resistance, and a stately pyramidal shape that makes it a standout in almost any yard. What sets the Thuja Green Giant apart is not only its ability to grow quickly, often 2 to 3 feet per year, but also its ability to do so while maintaining a neat, symmetrical form with very little intervention. Many fast-growing trees become leggy, uneven, or prone to breakage, but the Green Giant naturally holds its graceful silhouette. Its dense, overlapping sprays of rich green foliage create a soft, yet full texture, giving you the sense of a solid wall of greenery without feeling harsh or artificial. This makes it a favorite choice for homeowners who want privacy, but also crave beauty. Unlike some evergreens that lose their color in winter, turning dull or brownish, the Green Giant remains vibrant year-round. Its resilience extends beyond appearance. It is remarkably tolerant of a wide range of soils, including clay, loam, and sandy conditions, as long as they are reasonably well drained. It thrives in full sun but can also handle partial shade, making it flexible for different backyard environments. Once established, it is drought tolerant, and it has strong resistance to pests and diseases that often trouble other conifers. The sheer size of the Green Giant is part of its appeal. Mature trees can reach heights of 40 to 60 feet, with a spread of 12 to 20 feet. Planted in a row, they form towering hedges that block noise, wind, and unwanted views. Their height alone creates an impressive screen, offering privacy not just at eye level but also from second-story windows. At the same time, they can be pruned to maintain a smaller size so you don't have to commit to their full grandeur if your yard is more modest. Culturally, the green giant has become almost synonymous with suburban landscaping, yet it avoids the uniform, overused look of some other evergreens. Its lush, layered branches provide a more natural appearance than rigid rows of fencing, making a backyard feel like a private retreat rather than a walled-in enclosure. Whether planted as a continuous hedge, staggered for a more naturalistic look, or placed as individual specimens to anchor the corners of a property, the green giant adapts beautifully to design goals. Planting these trees requires some foresight. Because they grow so quickly, spacing them about 6 to 10 feet apart allows enough room for their mature spread while still ensuring that they close in together to form a solid wall of greenery. Over time, they knit into a nearly seamless screen that feels like part of the landscape rather than an artificial boundary. This sense of permanence and harmony with nature is one of the reasons so many people prefer them over fences or walls. For the homeowner seeking privacy that is fast, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing, the Thuja Green Giant is nearly unmatched. It gives you the shelter you crave without demanding endless maintenance. It grows with strength and grace, standing as a living monument to the idea that nature itself can be your best defense against noise, wind, and curious eyes. 3. Arbor Vitae. Arbor Vitae, known as the Tree of Life, has been cherished for centuries for its evergreen beauty and practical use as a privacy tree. If Leyland cypress and green giant thuja are the giants of large spaces, Arbor Vitae is the elegant solution for smaller yards or tighter areas where space is limited. With its naturally narrow, upright growth and soft green foliage, Arbor Vitae offers privacy without overwhelming a property. What makes Arbor Vitae so appealing is its variety. The species Thuja occidentalis has been cultivated into countless forms, each suited to different needs. The emerald green Arbor Vitae is perhaps the most popular, standing about 12 to 15 feet tall and only 3 to 4 feet wide, making it perfect for lining driveways, patios, or property lines in suburban neighborhoods. For those who want something larger, the Techni variety can grow up to 20 feet, providing a broader, fuller screen. Meanwhile, compact cultivars like Globe Arbor Vitae remain small and round, serving more as ornamental accents than full privacy screens. Unlike many fast-growing trees that demand constant maintenance, Arbor Vitae maintains its shape with little intervention. Its naturally symmetrical form requires only occasional pruning, if any, to stay neat. This makes it a favorite for homeowners who want a clean, structured hedge that looks like it has been carefully maintained, even when it hasn't. In formal gardens, Arbor Vitae hedges create crisp lines and ordered spaces, while in informal settings they blend seamlessly into mixed landscapes. Arbor Vitae is also hardy, especially in colder climates where other evergreens might struggle. It withstands harsh winters and keeps its green color year-round, ensuring privacy in every season. Its dense foliage creates effective noise reduction and wind protection, in addition to screening unwanted views. When planted in rows, Arbor Vitae form a living fence that is softer and more natural than wood or metal, yet just as effective. Because of its narrow footprint, Arbor Vitae is one of the best options for small yards where space is precious. A row of emerald green Arbor Vitaes can transform even the smallest strip of land into a lush private boundary. Unlike wider trees that require 10 or more feet of spacing, Arbor Vitae can be planted closer together, creating a solid screen in a short amount of time. Another advantage of Arbor Vitae is its adaptability. It tolerates a range of soils, requires little water once established, and resists pests better than many other evergreens. While it prefers full sun, it can manage in partial shade, making it versatile for different yard conditions. Its durability and dependability have made it a staple of landscaping for generations, and its popularity shows no signs of waning. For homeowners seeking privacy in smaller spaces or looking for a tree that combines elegance with practicality, Arbor Vitae is an excellent choice. It delivers greenery, structure, and seclusion without taking over the yard, proving that you don't need massive trees to achieve effective privacy. 4. Eastern Red Cedar. The Eastern Red Cedar, despite its name, is actually a species of juniper, and it is one of the toughest and most versatile privacy trees you can plant. Unlike the more formal evergreens, which often create neat, manicured screens, the red cedar brings a sense of rugged, natural beauty to the landscape. Its dense, aromatic foliage forms a living wall, while its resilience allows it to thrive where other trees might fail. One of the most striking qualities of the eastern red cedar is its adaptability. It tolerates poor soil, drought, heat, cold, and even strong winds, making it a champion for difficult conditions. If you live in an area where the soil is rocky, sandy, or less than ideal, the red cedar will likely thrive where other trees would struggle. Its toughness makes it especially valuable in rural or exposed settings, where protection from the elements is as important as privacy itself. In appearance, the red cedar grows into a dense pyramidal form, with foliage that ranges from dark green to bluish green, depending on the season and the variety. Small, blue, berry-like cones cover the tree, providing food for birds and wildlife throughout the year. In fact, one of the hidden joys of planting eastern red cedars is watching the flocks of birds that are drawn to them. The trees provide both shelter and food, turning your yard into a small wildlife haven. The size of these trees makes them highly effective as privacy screens. They typically grow 30 to 40 feet tall and 10 to 20 feet wide, forming substantial barriers against both sight and sound. A row of red cedars can protect a property from road noise, block strong winds, and shield views from nearby buildings or neighbors. Their natural form is slightly less uniform than Leyland cypress or Thuja green giant, which gives them a rustic, woodland quality that blends beautifully into natural settings. While they are hardy and low maintenance, it is worth giving eastern red cedars enough room to grow. Their roots are strong, and their spread can be significant, so thoughtful placement ensures they don't interfere with structures or smaller plants. Once established, they require very little care, making them ideal for homeowners who want privacy without constant upkeep. Culturally, the red cedar has deep roots in North America. It has been used historically for everything from building materials to aromatic cedar chests, prized for its fragrant wood and resilience. Planting one in your yard connects you to a long tradition of using this tree for both practical and aesthetic purposes. For those who want privacy with character, strength, and ecological benefits, the eastern red cedar is an exceptional choice. It doesn't just create a barrier, it enriches the environment, supports wildlife, and adds timeless beauty to the landscape. 5. Bamboo. Bamboo is not technically a tree, but when it comes to backyard privacy, it earns its place among the best living screens. Unlike traditional evergreens, bamboo offers a unique blend of speed, style, and sound. When the wind blows through a grove of bamboo, the gentle rustling of leaves and the hollow sway of the canes create an atmosphere of calm and seclusion. For homeowners who want privacy with personality, bamboo is an unmatched choice. The key to success with bamboo is choosing clumping varieties rather than running types. Running bamboos can quickly become invasive, spreading aggressively underground and overtaking entire yards. Clumping bamboo, however, grows in tight, contained clusters, slowly expanding outward but never in a way that becomes unmanageable. This makes it ideal for planting along fences, patios, or even in large containers. What makes bamboo so appealing is how quickly it creates a screen. While many trees take years to grow tall enough to block views, bamboo shoots upward in just a couple of seasons. Some varieties can reach 10 to 15 feet in only 2 to 3 years, while others soar even higher, creating towering green walls that feel exotic and lush. The growth rate alone makes bamboo one of the fastest solutions for instant backyard privacy. Beyond speed, bamboo adds a design element that other trees cannot match. Its tall, slender canes create vertical lines that look elegant and modern, fitting perfectly into contemporary landscapes as well as more natural, tropical, or Asian-inspired gardens. The leaves form soft, airy clouds of greenery that filter light and movement, offering privacy without feeling oppressive. When planted in rows, bamboo creates an almost architectural screen, sleek yet organic, and endlessly fascinating to look at. Clumping bamboo varieties such as Bambusa multiplex or Fargesia robusta are particularly well suited for residential use. They remain manageable in size while still growing tall enough to provide effective screening. In colder climates, hardy clumping bamboos like Fargesia nitida can survive harsh winters, staying evergreen or semi-evergreen depending on conditions. This adaptability means that bamboo is not just for tropical regions. It can be grown successfully in many parts of the world. One of the hidden joys of bamboo is its sound. Unlike other privacy trees, which stand still and silent, bamboo comes alive in the wind. The rustling leaves and swaying canes produce a soothing white noise that muffles surrounding sounds while creating an atmosphere of tranquility. This quality makes bamboo especially desirable in urban or suburban settings where traffic, neighbors, or city sounds intrude into your outdoor space. Bamboo also works beautifully in containers, which allows even small yards, patios, or decks to enjoy its benefits. A row of large pots filled with bamboo can form a movable, flexible screen that delivers instant privacy without permanent planting. For renters or those who want to redesign their outdoor space in the future, this portability is a huge advantage. Ultimately, bamboo is for those who want more than just privacy. It is for those who want beauty, atmosphere, and a little touch of the exotic in their backyard. It grows fast, it looks elegant, and it creates not just a screen, but an experience. One that feels private, peaceful, and alive. So there you have it. 5 of the best trees for instant backyard privacy: the fast-growing Leyland cypress, the reliable thuja green giant, the stylish clumping bamboo, the classic arbor vitae, and the rugged eastern red cedar. Each one brings its own unique personality to your yard, but all of them create the same result: a private, peaceful space that feels like your own sanctuary. Which one would you choose for your backyard? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more garden and landscaping tips, and share this video with someone who's dreaming of more privacy in their outdoor space. Until next time, here's to creating a backyard you'll truly love.